Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in list of available networks on Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel. Click on a network and internet. Click on a network and sharing center. Click on a change adapter settings. After that, first of all disable the Wi-Fi network. Once again enable it. After completing that, check it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that right click on a start menu, go to your device manager. After that, open a device manager, go to your network adapter, select a USB wireless driver, right click, click on a update driver, click search automated from drivers, click search update in Windows Update. Is any Windows update available? Then update and install in your PC. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a device manager, open device manager, select a network adapter, select a wireless, click on a uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, once again install the required driver, and after that I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.